We continue to question 3. You have to change this fraction become to index form. So what does that mean? Index form is quite easier. You can look at the first example. 1 over m cubed. I will change here from the denominator become to the numerator. I will got the base number and then I will got the power number minus 3 in this writing. So that's why you got here is indices form. Question B. 1 over h is mean h to power of minus 1. From the denominator, I move it to the numerator for index form. So h equal to minus 1. Question C. You will got p to power of minus 7. Question D. 1 over d to power of 9. You got d equal to minus 9 here. Question E, 1 over k 5. So you will got k minus 5 in this one. F, 1 over h squared. So here is h equal to h to power of minus 2. Question G, you got 2 over h4. So 2 will be here multiplied with h minus 4. Question A, 3 over y squared. So 3 times y minus 2 here. And here is I. You got 1 over 2 times z to power of 6 in this one. I will keep it unchanged, so 1 over 2, but I will change from the denominator indices is become to the numerator indices. The power, the base number is z, and the base number and the power number is minus 6 here. This is my answer for question I. Question J. You got 3 over 5 times t8. Yep. So 3 over 5 will multiply t to power of 8 like this one. So question K. Question K, you got 2 over 7 times h to power of minus 1. Question L, you got 5 over 2 multiply m to power of minus 6. Question M, 2 over 3 multiply y to power of minus 7. Question N, you will have both on the denominator become to the base number, and then you will got the negative 2 for the power number of this base number. Question O, a plus 8, a plus b and power to negative 8 like this one. Question P. For this writing, you should understand that here equal to power of 1. So you got h minus 2 here, h minus 2 here, and minus 1 in this position. Minus 1 in this position. So Q, you got 5p plus 1 over and minus 3 here. Minus 3 here. So about R, 2 times 4t minus 9, and then you got minus 5. Question S, 1 over 4 times h plus 1 and minus 11 here. Minus 11 for this writing. And the last one, question T, 5 over 9 is unchanged because it is positive. So the indices will be a plus 3b and minus 7 in this writing. Yeah, minus 7 in this writing. Question 3, we finished. Question 4, write without negative indices. Yeah, that's very important exercise about the topic here, negative indices. I have to cancel negative power number in the indices. So how can I work with this one? Take the reciprocal. So t minus 5, 1 t to power of 5. Question B, minus 6, 1 over 8 to power of 6. Question C, 1 over y cubed here. Question D, 1 over n to power of 8. Question E, 1 over w power of 10. Question F, 2 1 over x. Question G, m 1 over m4. Question 8, 5 1 over x7. Question I. Question I, I'm got 1 over both 2h inside the bracket and q outside. After that, I will got here is 8 and here h to power of 3. Question J, you got 1 over 4 times n lie here. Okay, so we finished question 4 until now. Sorry. We will have more 10 questions. Question K, I want to cancel minus 6 here. It's become to the positive 6. This is 1 over h plus 1. And then you got to power of 6. Question L, the same thing. On this expression will be the denominator with the power number is 1. Question M, you got minus 2. So 1 over k minus 3 and then square outside. Question N, minus 9. Okay, so 1 over 3x plus 2y and 9 here. Question 0. Question 0, minus 5 in this position. So I will take reciprocal. Yes. Reciprocal h over 1 and then 5 here. So h to power of 5. Question P, y to power of 10. Yeah. Question Q, p over 2 and then you got 1 like this. So p over 2 only. Question R, take reciprocal. So the most important for this writing is you have to understand the denominator now become to the numerator and then over 1. Here is square like this. So a plus b and square here. Question S, reciprocal. So h minus y and then h plus y here. And you got here is 1. H minus y and then h plus y, h plus y. So about t, 2w minus z over 3h plus y, and you got minus 7 in this one. So I will change from the denominator become to the numerator, and then I will have 2w minus z will be here, and this is to power of 7. This is to power of 7. Okay, we finished question T. Thank you so much for watching this one and see you next time. Bye bye.